Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm really glad to see you here, and I really appreciate all the support I'm getting from you. And if you are new here and you want to support me, so please, what you need to do is just to subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up and write a comment down below. I really appreciate it. So let's get to the business. Today we will trade with using the Parabolic Sar indicator. This indicator is an auxiliary tool of the technical analysis and helps to determine the price reversal points. So friends, let's get started. In order to connect the indicator, click this button in the lower left corner. A list of indicators opens in front of us and we select Parabolic Sar from the list. We leave all the settings by default. I will only make our indicator a little larger. You can also choose any color if you wish. Thus, our indicator appears on the chart. How to use this indicator? What is the signal to open a deal? The signal is the moment when, for example, the first point appears from the bottom of our chart. You can also enter into a deal when there are already several points. This tells us about the upcoming trend reversal and that the price will rise in the near future. Also, when the points directly begin to approach the candles themselves, this tells us that the reversal is coming soon, and in the near future the price will go in the opposite direction. Also, at this moment, new points should begin to appear above the chart. If you are trading on an uptrend, it is best to open deals for an upside. That is, to trade according to the trend and open deals when the indicator starts to appear from the bottom of our chart. In the same way, the indicator works in the opposite direction. If there is a downtrend, it is best to open a downtrend and wait for the points on top of our chart. Of course, first of all, it is necessary to conduct a technical analysis and only then to take into account the hints of this indicator. Today we will trade using this indicator. I will try to show you this clearly. Friends, let's get started and consider the first situation. So friends, here we see that at the moment there is a good confident downside. Also, several points have already appeared above our chart. In this situation, the price will probably continue its downside, so I suggest opening a deal to upside for 3 minutes, since there is a support level at the bottom and the price will certainly continue its movement to this level. Since the general trend of the price is going down, the price highs are also getting lower, and it is possible that this level will be broken in the near future. So friends, let's wait for the end of our first deal and see the results. Well friends, the price broke through the support level and went down and we get profit. 3 minutes was enough. The indicator told us the further direction of the price and the price really went down. Not a bad start. Let's continue and find the next entry point. Here we also see that there are already several points above our graph. Also, at the moment it has reached the level of support. In this situation, I propose to open a deal for a downside of 3 minutes. I think that in the near future this level will be broken and the price will go down, because there is a clear compression. Also, the price highs are getting lower and lower, so let's wait for the end of our deal. Great friends! The price continued its downward movement and we got profit. The indicator again suggested further price movement to us. Let's continue and look for the following situation in the market. So friends, here we also have several points above our chart. We also see that at the moment there is a downside in this situation. I propose to open a deal for 3 minutes for a decrease. I think that in this situation the price will continue its movement to the support level, which is below. Our indicator also confirms our entry point to us. So friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's quite good, friends. The price continued its downside and we get profit. The indicator again helped us to determine the further price movement. Let's look at the following market situation. Here our indicator tells us that there is an entry point. Also, the price goes higher. In this situation, I suggest open a deal for 2 minutes to upside. I think that in the near future, the price will continue its movement to the resistance level. Since the price lows are also getting higher, it is possible that this level will be broken in the near future. So friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, it's not bad. The price really continued its upward movement and resistance level was broken, and we get a confident profit. 2 minutes was just enough. The indicator again suggested further price movement. While everything is going well, let's continue to consider the following market situation. Here, our indicator again suggests us that there is an entry point. We also see that at the moment there is an uptrend. I propose to open a deal for 3 minutes to upside. I think that the price will continue its upward movement because there is still room, there is distance level. It's much higher. So friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, friends, not bad. The price continued its upward movement, and immediately after that the price slowed down a little, but in any case we get profit. The uptrend continued and this indicator confirmed our entry point to us. While everything is going well, let's continue. So friends, here we see that there is a slight pullback down from the resistance level. Also, it appeared above the chart. In this situation, I will open a deal for a decrease of just 1 minute. I think that a small pullback will still occur in the near future, and 1 minute will be quite enough here. So friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, friends, quite good. There was a downtrend momentum and we get profit. This indicator really told us about the upcoming reversal and the price went down quite confidently. Let's continue to consider the following market situation. We also see the level of support. We also see that at the moment there is a downtrend movement. The price highs are getting lower. I also draw your attention to the fact that our indicator tells us that there is an entry point. In this situation, I propose to open a deal for a reduction. Let's make it for 3 minutes. I think that the price will continue its movement to the support level. And so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, friends, quite good. The price really continued its downside to the support level. The indicator again confirmed our entry point and the price continued its downside from the downtrend line. Let's continue to consider the following market situation. Here we also see that at the moment the price is falling down. Also, the indicator tells us that the reversal is expected in the near future. I suggest opening a deal for a downside of 3 minutes. There was just a slight pullback up. This is a good point to open a deal for a decrease, and in this situation there is a chance that the price will turn around and go down. And so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Quite well. The price really continued its downward movement and we got profit. A trend reversal has indeed occurred. The indicator again suggested a good entry point. While everything is going well, let's continue to find the next entry point in the market. Also see that there is a downtrend too. Our indicator tells us that a downtrend movement is expected in the near future. In this situation, I propose to open a deal for a decrease for 3 minutes. I think that in this situation, the downtrend will continue to the support level, which is much lower. And so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, great! The downtrend has continued and we are getting profit. The indicator suggested a further direction of the price. Let's continue and consider the following market situation. Here we see quite high volatility. We also see price highs getting lower. The price is moving in this range. I suggest opening a deal for a decrease for 3 minutes. I think that the price will continue its movement to the support level as the indicator confirms our point. I think that in the near future the price will continue its downward movement. So friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's quite good. The price really continued its downside movement and we get profit. 3 minutes was enough for us. The indicator helped to determine the further price movement. While everything is going well, let's continue to find the next entry point in the market. Here we see the level of support. We also see that at the moment there is a downside movement. The price highs are getting lower. It has also pushed off from the trend line and is moving towards our support level. We pay attention to our indicator. It also tells us that the downside movement is expected in the near future. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 3 minutes to decrease. The price will certainly continue its movement to the support level. So friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, quite well. The price really continued its downside movement to the support level and we get a gorgeous confident profit. Yay! 3 minutes was enough for us. And our indicator helped us to determine further price movements and confirmed our entry point. Meanwhile, I already have $3,000 on deposit, so I suggest open the last deal for today. Now I will find a suitable situation in the market and we will continue with you. So friends, our indicator suggests that there is an entry point and a downside movement is expected in the near future. We also see that there is a downside movement of price highs, they are getting lower. The price is currently approaching the support level. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. I think that in the near future, the price will continue its movement at this level. It may be broken through because the price here also has a good potential for a decrease. So friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, great friends, the price continued its downward movement and this level was broken. We get profit here. 2 minutes was enough for us. Our indicator also told us about the upcoming downward movement and we get a great result. I already have $5,000 on deposit and I propose to end this since I have fulfilled my plan for today. I finished trading on this and leave the market. All the market situations worked out perfectly for themselves. Well friends, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new today. So I want you to subscribe on this channel for more new videos and please leave a comment below if you have any questions and put a big thumbs up. It will really support me to do more videos for you. Also, if you still have any questions, you can ask me in my Telegram. I leave the link down below so you can find it there. All the questions about trading you can ask me there. See you next time.